Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, loaded with features, and a fair price. Features also include parking assist system, heated seats, premium sound system, hands-free Bluetooth integration, ventilated seats. With these ratings, come test drive the 2013 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, tow hitch, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.